voice typing in WhatsApp, and how can we check the Android version of the phone. And let's begin. To do the voice typing in WhatsApp, we need an application called Gboard. I have already installed it. The link of this application is in the description box. So click on this Gboard. I have already do the first step, that is give permission to the Gboard in settings. So the second step is select input method, that is change the keyboard from swipe for Y to Gboard. So now click on the voice typing, and if it is not allowed, allow it. Then if you want to change the languages on keyboard, you can do it by adding keyboard. This Malayalam, and click on done. This is all we want to do for voice typing in WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp. Now there will be a small mic in the keyboard, not the green one. So click on it and say what you want. If you did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get all the notification when I upload my videos in YouTube. So let's move on to the next, that is how can we see the Android version in your phone. So go to settings, then there will be an option that is about phone. Click on it, and after clicking it, there will be another option that is Android version. Double click on it, this Android version. So I have get my version, that is Lollipop. So I think it's safe for you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.